Hello dear fans. How glass is made. Glass, so popular in everyday life, goes through a difficult path before taking a place in a window opening, turning into an elegant transparent table or becoming elegant dishes. Glass-making techniques have been perfected for centuries. Modern technologies for the production of this material make it possible to make high-quality glass that meets the needs of the most demanding consumers. Instructions. Step 1. First, technologists select the components from which glass will be made for specific needs. Quartz sand, sodium sulfate, soda ash, dolomite and some other additives are used as raw materials. All components are carefully measured, because the quality of the glass mass will depend on the correct choice of proportions. Step 2. Broken glass is also added to the bin with the original components. In the manufacture of glass mass, surplus and waste usually remain, which also go into business. They are crushed and fed into a common tank, where all materials are mixed to a relatively homogeneous state. The mixture is now ready for the next processing step. Step 3. From the hopper, the initial components go to the gas furnace. The temperature inside this device reaches 1,500 degrees Celsius. Under the influence of such an amount of heat, the components of the future glass melt and turn into a transparent mass. The resulting composition is thoroughly mixed so that the substance becomes completely homogeneous. The whole process is constantly under the control of the furnace operator, who is assisted by automation. Step 4. At the next stage of processing, the glass mass enters special containers. They resemble large bathtubs filled with liquid tin. Being distributed over the surface of this metal, the future glass does not sink, but turns into a thin sheet material with an almost perfectly flat surface. To give the sheets the desired thickness, the glass is passed through rolls of a certain size. Step 5. The glass tape gradually cools down. After leaving the tin bath, the temperature of the material decreases to about 600 degrees Celsius. The belt is now fed onto a long roller conveyor and reaches a special device where the glass is tested for sheet thickness. The control accuracy is very high and can reach hundredths of a millimeter. Revealed defects are returned to the stage of primary processing. Step 6. The long and continuous glass strip is then cut into standard sheets using a wear-resistant tool. The uneven edges of the sheet are cut at the same time. The waste generated during cutting is crushed and fed into the hopper. These shards are involved in a new glass production cycle. In fact, all production becomes waste-free. Step 7. The final stage of the whole process is the final quality control of the glass. Fluorescent lamps come to the aid of inspectors, which make it possible to reveal even imperceptible defects in fragile material. The sheets passed through the control section are sent to the warehouse, where they are stored in an upright position until they are shipped to the consumer. Thanks for watching.